Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a pattern that involves the cluster stitches and it is named as Hydrangea. So let's go into the video without much further delay. Chain 8, slip stitch to the first chain and form a ring. You can begin with chain 3 as the first double crochet or make a standing twisted double crochet. And make 13 more double crochets in the ring. So totally we require 14 double crochets. So place 14 double crochets and get back. I shall also complete and get back. We have completed the first round. Now slip stitch to the first stitch and join. If you have done chain 3, join under the third chain. Now chain 9 counts as 1 treble and 5 spaces, 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 chains counts as 1 treble, and in the next stitch make a treble. The next DC 1 treble. Chain 5. One treble in the next. So this continue the stitch pattern this entire round. You will have 12 trebles with 12 chain 5 spaces. So continue. I shall complete and get back. We've come to the end of this round here. So chain 2 and make a double crochet in the fourth chain of 9 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Chain 4 and make 3 incomplete trebles. 1, 2, and 3. Now yarn over, pull through all of them. Chain 5, now in the next place 4 treble cluster, 4 incomplete trebles, and complete them at one go. So now you have 3 chains on the hook, yarn over 2 times, third incomplete treble, fourth incomplete treble. So you'll have 5 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all 5 loops, chain 5. So continue this pattern, chain 5, 4 treble cluster, chain 5, 4 treble cluster, place in each of these chain spaces. I shall complete and get back. I have completed placing the clusters, 4 DC clusters, 4 treble clusters. Now chain 5, chain 2 and make a double crochet in the 4th chain of the first chain 4. So on the stitch, on the cluster itself, not on the 4th chain. So now chain 3, place 2 double crochets inside in the same space chain 5, three doubles in the next chain 5 space, chain 5, 3 double crochets in next chain 5 space. So continue this stitch pattern all around. Place 3 double crochets in each of the chain spaces separated by chain 5 spaces. Complete. When you come back, slip stitch to the third chain and fasten off. We've come to the end of the last round. Chain 5, slip stitch to the third chain of the first 3 chains and fasten off. Here we have completed the hydrangea. This is a beautiful pattern, lacy pattern, versatile pattern too. Thank you friends for watching this video. Hope you like this pattern and you'll use it. If you are viewing this channel for the first time, please do subscribe to our channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you'll be notified of the new videos we upload every other day. Bye friends, have a great day. I shall meet you in the next video with the next pattern.